Luxury faucets are a crucial element in bathroom design, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and sophistication. When it comes to creating a luxurious bathroom, the faucet is often the centerpiece, setting the tone for the entire space. Luxury faucets come in a wide range of designs, from modern and sleek to traditional and ornate. One of the most popular luxury faucet designs is the wall-mount faucet, which provides a clean and minimalist look. These faucets are mounted directly to the wall, creating a sense of openness and visual flow. They are often paired with a sleek, low-profile sink, creating a seamless and sophisticated look. Another popular luxury faucet design is the deck-mount faucet, which offers a more traditional look. These faucets are mounted directly to the sink deck, providing a sturdy and reliable base. They often feature intricate details, such as ornate handles and decorative escutcheons. Luxury deck-mount faucets are available in a wide range of styles, from modern and contemporary to traditional and classic. For those seeking a truly unique and luxurious look, there are also faucet designs that feature advanced technology, such as touchless and voice-activated controls. These faucets offer unparalleled convenience and ease of use, making them perfect for luxury bathrooms. In addition to their functional benefits, luxury faucets also offer a range of aesthetic benefits. They are available in a wide range of finishes, including polished chrome, brushed nickel, and matte black. These finishes can be paired with a variety of materials, such as glass, stone, and wood, creating a truly unique and luxurious look. Luxury faucets can also be customized to fit specific design styles and themes. For example, a traditional luxury faucet might feature ornate details and classic lines, while a modern luxury faucet might feature sleek, minimalist lines and advanced technology. When selecting a luxury faucet for the bathroom, there are several factors to consider. First and foremost, consider the style and design of the faucet. Think about the overall aesthetic you want to achieve in the bathroom, and choose a faucet that fits with that style. Also, consider the functionality of the faucet. Think about the features you need, such as touchless controls or a built-in water filter. Finally, consider the quality and durability of the faucet. Look for faucets made from high-quality materials, such as solid brass or stainless steel, and choose a faucet with a reputation for reliability and performance. In terms of specific design elements, luxury faucets often feature advanced technologies, such as LED lighting and advanced water-saving features. Some luxury faucets also feature advanced materials, such as diamond-coated finishes and nano-ceramic coatings. These materials provide unparalleled durability and resistance to scratches and corrosion. Luxury faucets may also feature intricate details, such as hand-carved designs and precision-cut components. These details add a level of sophistication and elegance to the faucet, making it a true showpiece in the bathroom. The installation process for luxury faucets is often more complex than standard faucets, requiring the expertise of a professional plumber. This is because luxury faucets often feature advanced technologies and intricate designs, requiring careful installation to ensure proper function and longevity. However, the end result is well worth the extra effort, as luxury faucets provide a level of style, sophistication, and functionality that is unmatched by standard faucets. In terms of maintenance, luxury faucets are often designed with ease of maintenance in mind. Many luxury faucets feature advanced materials and coatings that resist scratches and corrosion, making them easy to clean and maintain. Additionally, many luxury faucets feature modular designs, allowing for easy replacement of worn or damaged components. This makes it easy to keep the faucet looking and functioning like new, even after years of use. Overall, luxury faucets offer a range of benefits, from advanced functionality and style to ease of maintenance and durability. Whether you're looking to create a sleek and modern bathroom or a traditional and elegant one, there's a luxury faucet design that's sure to meet your needs. With their advanced technologies, intricate designs, and high-quality materials, luxury faucets are the perfect choice for anyone seeking to elevate their bathroom to the next level of style and sophistication. In conclusion, luxury faucets are a crucial element in bathroom design, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and sophistication. With their advanced technologies, intricate designs, and high-quality materials, luxury faucets provide a level of style and functionality that is unmatched by standard faucets. Whether you're looking to create a sleek and modern bathroom or a traditional and elegant one, there's a luxury faucet design that's sure to meet your needs.